Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel with the new video and with the new openings and new hopes. Guys, today I'm going to share around 11 companies opening with you for freshers and 2 3 companies are for experienced candidates. So requesting you to hit the like button of this video and share the video as much as possible. Those are searching a job in software industry field. So let's start with the company name, their eligibility criteria and application procedure. So the first company name is Finstra. They are hiring for associate automation QA engineer interns. Means it should be a internship position. So the job location will be Karnataka, and request ID for this position is 8556. Okay, guys, for automation engineer, they are expecting a fresher candidate. So if you are interested and fulfill this eligibility criteria, you should have the knowledge about automation QA engineer. So you can apply over the link which is given in the description below. Please check out the link in description below and apply accordingly. Okay, guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Birlo Technologies Private Limited. They are hiring for a manual test engineer and a manual test manager. So the role is QA manager. Okay, guys, and experience they are expecting 8+ years. They are expecting the experience. The position is for QA manager. So budget for this position is 32 lakh per annum. So job location will be Bangalore, and if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on deepika.sharma@birlaio.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Zohomel Technologies. They are hiring for freshers software engineer trainee. Job location will be Chennai, and some freshers also, software freshers who have completed their B in 2022 and 2023 only, they are looking for job. So maximum budget for this position is 3.6 LPA to 4 lakh per annum maximum. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on placement cell at zohomel.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys, it might be a consultant. It's your turn if you want to share your profile with the consultant or not. Important notification is, guys, do not share any single rupees to anyone. If anyone asks money for your interview, it might be a fake. So do not pay a single rupees to anyone. Please make a note of it. Okay, guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Delta Cubes Technologies. They are hiring for manual and automation test engineer. Experience they're expecting 2+ years. Location will be Bangalore, Pune, and if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on hr@deltacubes.us or correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, hr@deltacubes.us. Okay, guys, this is the correct email ID, and the position name is manual and automation tester. So it should be mentioned in your subject line while you sending the resume to the recruiter. Okay, guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Digital Fly Technologies. They are hiring for a trainee engineer, and the client name is Cognizant. Location will be across India, or qualification any graduate, any stream, experience freshers batch 2019 to 2023. Maximum budget for this position is 4 lakh per annum, and if you are interested or fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on hr@jayasri@digitalfly.in. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys, before moving the next company, guys, I would like to tell something about my Telegram and Instagram account. I have posted many openings on Instagram and Telegram. Since last week, around 30+ openings I have shared on Telegram, and 30+ openings I have shared on my Instagram as well. So do not forget to follow us on Instagram and Telegram as well. So you can find our account link in description below. You can check at the link description, and you can follow on Instagram and Telegram as well for more job updates. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Vinzit Technologies. They are hiring for ETL test engineer. So job title will be ETL tester, and it should be mentioned your subject line while you sending the resume to the recruiter. So it's a contract to hire, guys. If you want to share or not, it's your turn. So duration will be 12 months. Okay, and experience they're expecting 5+ years. Must have a front end and back end experience in reviewing, analyzing system specification and user stories, hands-on experience user SQL queries, uh, Postman API tool you should know, agile methodology you should know. And if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on muhammad.isuf295 at workpath.in. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Dynamish Technologies. They are hiring for a QA engineer for Pune location. QA engineer should have experience in 1 to 2 years of automation, Cucumber, Selenium with Java. 1 to 2 years of experience they are expecting. Uh, Designation QA automation engineer. Responsibilities: executing a test source code, executing a development test and correct bugs and error correction, and troubleshoot any issue in the software code. And if you are interested and fulfill this criteria for this position, you need to share your profile on jobs at dynamish.co. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen, guys. Okay, guys, if you have any doubt or if you feel something wrong with the position, you can reach me on Instagram, so I will update on that. And if anyone ask money for you, so do not pay, and please report to me, so I will remove that particular email ID from the video. Okay, guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Pixot Technologies. They are hiring for testing for freshers who have the basic knowledge of manual testing. So position will be a manual testing. Work from office will be there. The company location will be, and job location will be Bangalore, and it should be in work from office only. So suitable candidates can share their profiles on hr at pixot.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Whipple Technologies. They are hiring for QA test engineer in software quality through the manual and automation testing. Years of experience they are expecting 0 to 1 year, means fresher also can apply over here. Location will be Hyderabad, and it should be in work from office only. Notice period will be immediate, and experience of retesting, bug reporting in HTML, CSS, data driven, smoke testing, sanity testing. So you should know everything about software testing. It's manual and automation as well. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on charan.kumar at webpal.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Harmonic Technologies. They are hiring for associate QA engineer. So job description they have mentioned over here, like responsible feature end-to-end functional testing, and embedded testing should be known for the QA engineer. And if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on the link in description, so you can share their profile on the link which is given in the description below. So they have minimum 70% score during your completion of course, and scripting language should be known like Perl, Python. Okay, and pass out year will be only they are expecting 2022 and 2023 only. Okay, guys, no, and no backlogs. Okay, guys, fluent English communication will be there needed. So that's it, guys. I already shared around 11 companies openings with you. If you have any doubt, if you want to ask something, you can reach me on Instagram. You can find my Instagram link, Instagram profile link in description below. And we have started our paid resume building services, and we are preparing the paid resume services. For detail, you can check out the previous videos on YouTube. You can find everything about those who want to build their resume from me, and it will be paid. Please make a note of it. So those who can reach me on my WhatsApp number, and you can see the WhatsApp number over here. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.